Are you tired of wasting so much money on journal books?
This is how you save money. Let me show you how to make them. Get about 10 pages of letter paper, fold it in half. Then you'll need a pen, a seam ripper, a needle, a thread, and some basic sewing skills. You can eyeball the 4 points where you think the stitches should go through. Use the seam ripper to poke a hole through each of these holes. Then simply stitch through them and tie a knot on both ends. This is so simple, so easy. It requires barely any equipment and the most basic sewing skills. It's honestly so fun to do something crafty with your hands, making your journal even more meaningful. And voila! This is your handmade personalized notebooks that you just made and saved at least $10 for not buying a journal book. You also have a blank canvas of a cover to decorate with whatever you like. I personally like to just draw out all of my favorite memories in each month during the time where I'm writing my journals and also practicing my creativity and just drawing skills.